getting to the middle of the season, Palmer, getting a chance to show what you're about so you can finish strong.
It's a resume builder, no doubt about it. And really, there's been so much anticipation building up to this top 25 matchup. So which team can control their emotions, I think, goes a long.
He wants to throw. Fires to the wideout. He's got an open man. And they'll finally bring him down after he rips off a huge...
Rock, I'm going to give it to him again.
A first down run on the doorstep. Into the end zone he goes. Touchdown, Tar Heels.
The best run to get it going, handing the ball off.
Not what they had in mind to start this drive. Here comes 2nd and 13. Throws to the wideout. Makes the grab. And chunk plays are the name of the game, and they get... They're going to try to throw for it on 3rd down. Got his man downfield. And he was on his way, and they execute,
especially when the field starts to shrink. But the good news is they got a field goal in their back door.
Blew that up, man.
What a disappointment. No doing bring some heat on 3rd and long from the 44. From the gun, wants to pass. Got him downfield. He's run out of bounds, but tries again to get it in. Just hammer it with this running back again, and he noses his way into the end zone. On 2nd down, he's looking downfield. All kinds of room to throw that one in there.
Good play.
Especially a guy that's not a huge back, you got to make that tackle. You can't make it easy on the offense where now they got a manageable situation.
And he takes it to the house. Touchdown, UNC! No midseason concentration. Trying to cap this drive with the pass. The quick out. Touchdown, North Carolina! And the stomping has commenced. He'll try to throw and pick up the 1st down. Makes the grab well past the sticks. Running toward the tape. Touchdown, Georgia! He's looking to throw. Quickly out to the tight end.
Oh, my God.
He will stick.
2 straight completions now back-to-back.
Looking for a man. It's Harold.
Come on, bro. Yeah, man.
He's looking to throw. It's complete.
Come on,
Touchdown, Tar Heels. And the route.
Defense is alive. They've limited him. That was only his first catch. They changed up their coverages.
And he's got it in the end zone.
It's been a great rhythm all game long. With that last completion, he's now over 300 yards passing.
He'll come out throwing on 1st down. Complete to the left.
Because then if I man him up.
But he's got a fresh set. Wants to throw on 1st down off the play fake. Touchdown,
Let's go, man.
UNC. And the beat down.
Bro, it's like I had a free runner and he just stopped.
With that, they are...
I thought he was playing a lot of man with 2 deep. Just
dropping
yeah.
back, it's back. This time it's complete. He goes out of bounds, but there is a flag on the field. Let's see what this one's under. The red zone is still some ground to cover to pick up that 1st down. Looking to pass. It's back. Dumps it off in the flats. Touchdown, Bulldog!
Yeah, good game, man, for sure, bro.